Okay. Hi guys, we're in. I don't even know where we are.
Oh my god.
That wasn't weird. I didn't even know that. I forgot.
What's going on, guys? Today we're here in Oldham. We're at Lucky's restaurant. We've heard a lot of good things about this restaurant. 4.8 stars on Google, I think. So we've got high expectations. So let's see what the food's saying. So our food's just come. Most of us have got chef challenges. I've got a chef challenge.
Yo, this looks mad, you know.
Hey, but you got 4 down.
Mine's tipping over, it's so big.
That's what she said. Looks like there's about 3 patties and a burger, chicken fillet, 2 chicken fillets and a beef.
It's pretty big. 2 chicken fillets, 1 peri fillet, and 1 beef.
4 patties, fam.
Saying this is a challenge, and if you complete this challenge, you can then get a free milkshake.
This is easy, we're gonna finish this.
Yeah.
I think the challenge is, what is it, £12.50 is it?
£12 or yeah, around £12.
Well, anyways, between £12 to £18. So if you complete this, you can also get free milkshake on that price.
Yeah, you get a free milkshake, guys, if you complete this, big boy. What'd you get, Abdullah?
I got the Rocky's grilled stack,
Which is a vegetarian option, as you said.
that's a pink bun, pink bun that is. It's like the, what is it, the pink, the coloured Krabby Patties.
Oh yeah.
Krabby Patty, yeah. He's got a Krabby Patty basically, man. That's mad. How you guys finding the food so far? What you say, Zen?
What we get, man?
Is it nice? Do you think you're gonna finish? Your chef's challenge?
Probably chef challenge, yeah, but I don't know about the hot dog.
Oh, you got hot dogs as well.
As you can tell, you got some nice homemade keema right there. Got a little sausage there. It's got onions.
Very meaty.
Got cheese. I've got ketchup. The whole deal.
You got
Quality, very good. And also the way to present it.
yeah. Presentation's quite nice, guys.
We have to come back.
You barely started eating. Take a big bite of that, yeah. Let's see how big you can put it in your mouth. You got a big mouth, man. The burger looks bigger than your head.
Nice 20s.
That's not even a bite.
Just like the Mackey's video.
Let's see how big of a bite this dude can take.
Come on.
Yo.
This massive is bigger than my face.
Yo.
Wow.
What kind of bite is that? This is one, bro.
Yo,
There's 2 kinds of people in this world.
2 kinds of people.
Ones that eat with their hands, yep, and then there's them.
What did you do, Adnan? Did you separate your burger in half because you got a small mouth?
I'm just eating the chicken, one of the chickens, and I'm probably gonna eat the beef as well.
that's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah.
You guys can put that all in your mouth at once.
Half it down, then just take it one by one.
Alright, good strategy. Whereas me, I'm just gonna eat it like full on. Cause I'm savage.
Plus, it's more clean. It's more clean this way.
Oh, look at this guy, he's already.
See that, yeah?
It's taking a break. Taking a break, guy.
No, do you know what it is? I need a break, man, because one of the things is, yeah, it doesn't look as big as it is, yeah, but it's proper, really.
That's
That's what she said.
I was telling you guys it's gonna be filling. They didn't want to believe me.
So we see to the girls, yeah?
They're like, it's small. It looks small.
This one finished.
I've done so gas like finished his food.
Yeah.
Again, the frame down there.
They're catching up, yeah.
Hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife.
If I'd known, yeah, this would be like more than 3 layers of this burger thing, I would have not got a hot dog.
Oh my god.
Are you fun? You tapping out?
I'm just gonna sit up for a bit like Danny.
Daddy, you can do it one more bite.
You got one bite left.
Come on.
I don't think I can.
It's your food, man. Look.
It's just one beef.
It's like I said, he's up the lollipop for last, the freaking beef.
What's up with them left as well?
Oh yeah, you still got this. I'll eat that for you.
I'm the biggest guy here, man.
You are the biggest guy. And you touch that.
Let me stretch.
What? Oh, look at that, look at his name. What's his name? Baracho, it looks like freaking Baracho from Mortal Kombat. What? The guy does hunting Mortal Kombat. Baracho.
Oh, yeah.
He teaches the guy. Look.
They're gonna toast it.
I'll spit my drink out. Baracho again, like, he's about to do the sick. Imagine if I did the sick.
The wings.
This is the guy who said slow and steady wins the race.
Steady wins the race. If you eat too quickly, indigestion, too much large pieces in your stomach, you're gonna get full quicker.
Shit, he's really finished.
Who?
Him.
I know.
No, fuck you. You're not going to before me, mate.
Oh!
Well, I just want to say, I'm very proud. This is a day I've lived up to for many, many years.
It's finished.
I finished first.
You know.
You haven't.
I did.
You haven't.
Who finished first?
Your paper? Don't forget your paper.
Oh yeah, don't forget my paper. Zane's obviously. Then again, Zane's ate half his paper. So
It's just still chewing on his.
if he's still chewing on his, and it will be that by a couple of hours.
It goes to jalapenos. Oh my god. No, I'm saying jalapenos is jalapenos.
Yeah, that's it. That's what happens.
Jalapenos.
Get into your mind first.
He's gonna be sick, guys.
You are.
Don't think about
There you
it.
go.
In the toilet.
Have some drink down with it, put some. That's always a good solution.
I
got water.
Have some drink down with it. I've never seen him like this before. I think he's been.
Why don't you?
Slow and
I was,
steady.
why are you drinking it like that?
Oh, water,
He said it's more filling than the fish fillets.
Fine.
Hold up. Easy. Right.
It's more worse than the fish fillets.
How can you understand what he's saying?
So we're comparing 7 fish fillets to this one big behemoth of a.
I'm 8 and I'm still struggling.
Don't make him laugh, man. He's going to choke.
It's you. It's looking at you.
Don't look at
Why are
me.
you having a ship with it?
Yo, just swallow your finish first.
That's what he
What are you
said.
doing?
That's what he just said. Just swallow that shit.
So you're gonna finish that?
Oh, do you want it?
This is all I got left now.
Oh, do you want it or not?
You got chips as well.
Because you're getting. No, what's that?
I'll eat those. 50's back.
I will lie back and forth.
Oh. Now I know what you mean. You know.
Oh, yeah.
That tastes like mush. Mush. That was worse than the fish fillet challenge.
Can you put pot in there when we were translating nifty?
In like brackets.
Put in audible.
Yeah.
Same.
The beef, bro. If I take the beef out, I'll be able to eat the chicken.
It's a little tip from us, guys. If you're gonna do this challenge, you're gonna come here. You're gonna want to tackle the beef part of the burger.
That's my tip.
Yeah. Well, that's Zane's tip. Yeah. What I'm saying from us, you want to go for the beef first and then have the chicken after. Otherwise, when you come to the end.
Of course, this is demonstrated by the top of the burger, that being the
Yeah,
beef
the-
right there.
the-
There you go, the chicken. Cheese of the chicken. It's finished it.
Mashallah.
Leave us. This is not now.
Bro, it's not me versus you, it's me versus this. Half a burger.
Bro, how do them guys do it? They do this for fun, man.
Some of the guys have 12,000 calories in a daily basis.
Yeah, well, this must be like a good at 5.
5,000.
Easily. No way. No way.
Right, just in case we can camera, yeah, he said 2,000 to 3,000 calories.
It's the bun that's the hardest part.
Eh?
The bun.
The bun.
Now.
Oh, the bun.
Danny, you need to take your horny ass out of this place.
Hey, but, oh my god, man.
Oh, don't even shy, man.
I'm not really shy. I don't know what. I don't know what I'm shy.
But then I was looking at, like, reminded of his life decisions, man.
Oh, you watch out, look at that.
And it's an idiot. You know, when they ask if you're okay, but you're not really okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Wait, listen,
When they say you're fine, but you're not fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And you just gotta say that you're okay, because you know if you talk about it, they won't really understand.
A non's car's gonna stink up us. We'll keep the windows open the whole way. You made it from empty today.
Got milkshake coming in as well.
And he's lactose. This guy's lactose as well.
I'm lactose intolerant, and I've just won a free milkshake, so.
That's not a milkshake.
This is a milkshake, okay. I will get one in a second.
I just want a free
I'm gonna be
milkshake.
buying loads, man. He's gonna be driving
Yeah,
back.
they want to know
so
that. They want to know that, yeah. Tell him.
He's driving back, so he's gonna have to smell my farts.
Wonderful. Make a good demonstration there.
I'm not really
I'm
finished.
better now.
He's got a bit of coffee left and a bit of chips.
I saw that.
Got milkshake to go as well.
Oh my god.
I don't want some milkshake now.
Huh?
I don't want some milkshake.
That stinks, man.
Zen's nearly finished. He's got like 2 bites left.
Look on, he's finished.
He's trying to catch up. He's trying to catch up. Who's gonna win?
Zane's going, bro. Go on.
You got a chef in there? You got a chef?
We drop loads.
And I guess we have 3rd place. Ding.
I forgot you get a free milkshake from it.
Last bite.
You know what's funny? All my little
4th place, Zen. Well done, guys. We've all finished our chef's challenge. We all get milkshakes. Ding, 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 ding. Winners everywhere. How you guys feeling now?
feel alright after that.
Feel good after ordering that free milkshake.
After letting out some gas, yeah. After letting out some gas, you feel alright.
What about you, Danny?
Yeah, I'm actually feeling pretty good. You know, face to face, so it's giving me enough time. And not much
Look
more.
at Fatty, he's got hot dogs as well.
What about you, Abdullah? What are you saying?
Still hungry.
You still hungry?
Yeah.
You should have had the freaking chef challenge thing.
Should have.
Can we get one? Pack up.
Yeah, but you could have done it.
Nice, man. I think we gotta come back. He definitely deserves that 4.8 rating. Danny, what do you think?
Definitely, yeah. I'm gonna say I'll go 4.5.
Danny is very picky eater as well.
I'm a very picky eater. The only thing was, yeah,
When you buy a book for 4.5,
I'm not gonna give him 5. Do you know what I'm gonna give you? I'm gonna give you 4.7.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
4.7. What do you guys give it?
I'd give this about a 4.8 out of 5.
4.8.
I'm thinking a 5.
I think
5.
Actually, no, I
A
think
5.
Nothing is 5. Yeah, it's 4.9. 4.9.
Wait a sec, this
Up
guy
to
said
5.
nothing is 5. So all of you guys out there in the industry, yeah, for food, you're never gonna make it.
You're never gonna make it. You know, you will make it.
The top doesn't
Not,
exist.
not,
gotta aim
not
high,
if this
though.
guy's coming to your place.
yeah. The only thing that's a 5, yeah, is our mum's food in.
Yeah.
That's a 5, yeah.
That's a 5.
You know what? Our mums, yeah, and our mother-in-laws.
Yeah, it's true. I give it 4.7 as well. It's pretty damn good.
Just say a 4, you know.
Out of all the places we've tried on video, this is definitely the best one we've been to so far.
I agree.
Here's another thing as well, yeah. If you try the chef challenge, make sure you have nothing to eat all day, because it is filling.
Free milkshakes have arrived.
One's already onto us. How much are the milkshakes?
How is it?
Free.
370.
370 or free if you have the deal. Like,
It's good then.
yeah, mine's actually nice. Anybody want to taste? Nice. That is biscuit.
Oh, is it?
Fair Russian Oreo is pretty good.
What are you saying about your milkshake?
Best milkshake I've ever had.
Best milkshake you've ever had?
He's just realised it's Oreo and peanut butter. That's why he's.
Here's the thing, yeah. Every place I've been to, they normally do like standard Oreo milkshakes, but this place they've mixed it up a bit. They got Oreo and peanut butter.
Peanut butter and Oreo. Whoa.
Get that anywhere else, if you ask me.
Yeah, rate the milkshakes, guys.
Alright guys, that was our review, or was it a challenge slash review of Lucky's in Oldham. Amazing. Come here. And comment if you want us to go anywhere to review or eat.
Yeah.
We'll go
And
anywhere.
as well, if you guys wondering, it's parking outside the place as well.
Yeah, it's parking outside as well, so quite convenient.
Out there.
And there's a car park out there as well. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.